Hi, if you need to block spam calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open this phone app first, tap on the three dots and go in the settings. After that, select block numbers, and here we can manage this setting. So firstly, we can enable block calls from a known number, for example, and after that we can go in this block spam and scam calls. Just tap it and enable by tapping on the switcher. And here you can enable it as well, and we have two options: block all spam calls and only block high-risk scam calls. So just choose whatever suits you better and save the changes by going back. After that, you can also block a specific contact. You just need to add here phone number or go in your contacts list, choose a person you want to block, and here tap the done button. So let's return back to this setting. And here is how it will look now. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.